Sushi. It's the poster child for Japanese cuisine, isn't it? Delicate, refined, elegant, well, think again. Beyond those dainty pieces of salmon and tuna lies a world of sushi so bizarre, so outlandish it'd make your hair stand on end. We're talking fermented soybeans that smell like a sewer, live freaking shrimp wriggling on your plate, and even cod sperm. Yeah, you heard me right. Today, we're diving headfirst into the wacky, the wild, the downright weird world of Japanese sushi. So get ready, you lot, because this is going to be one hell of a ride. Would you dare to try these? Sushi is one of Japan's most famous foods, but beyond the classic tuna and salmon, there are some truly strange sushi creations you won't believe exist. From raw chicken to cod sperm, we're diving into Japan's weirdest sushi today. Would you dare to try these? First up, we've got natto sushi. This little number is made with fermented soybeans. Sounds innocent enough, right? Wrong. This dish is a bold fusion of intense and unexpected flavors, creating a truly unforgettable culinary experience. The smell alone is enough to knock you off your feet. Imagine the worst thing you've ever smelled, then multiply it by 10. And the texture? Don't even get me started. It's slimy, it's sticky, it's like trying to eat snot. Now, I'm all for pushing boundaries in the kitchen, but this is just wrong on so many levels. Apparently some people love it, say it's got health benefits. While it may have its health benefits, this isn't something I'd personally choose to try. Next up we have ebi odori, also known as dancing shrimp sushi. And yes, you guessed it, the shrimp is still alive when it's served. Talk about fresh, eh? These poor little buggers are peeled and deveined, then served up on a bed of rice, still wriggling and squirming for their dear lives. The idea is that you get this ultra-fresh, sweet, and crunchy experience. Personally, I prefer my food to stay still on the plate. Watching your dinner tap dance its way across the table just doesn't do it for me. And have you ever tried to pick up a live shrimp? Those little suckers are fast. Okay friends, brace yourselves because it's about to get really real. This, my friends, is shirako. And before you ask, yes, it's exactly what it sounds like. We're talking cod sperm. Sperm. Who in their right mind looks at a fish's you-know-whats and thinks, dinner? Apparently it's a delicacy in Japan. They say it's got this creamy, custard-like texture that melts in your mouth. Melts in your mouth. Listen, I've had some questionable things in my time, but this is where I draw the line. I don't care if it tastes like angel tears, I'm not putting fish jizz anywhere near my mouth. End of story. Now if you thought cod sperm was bad, wait till you hear about this one. This is fugu sushi, made from the infamous puffer fish. You know, the one that's riddled with deadly toxins? Yeah, that one. Apparently the poison is concentrated in the fish's organs, so chefs need to be specially trained to prepare it. One wrong slip of the knife and boom, you're pushing up daisies. They say the taste is light and chewy, but honestly, who cares? You're basically playing Russian roulette with every bite. Life's too short for that kind of risk, wouldn't you say? And last but not least, we have something truly terrifying. Something that sends shivers down my spine just thinking about it. Raw chicken sushi, also known as tori sashimi. Now I'm no stranger to a bit of rare steak, but raw chicken? That's just asking for trouble. Salmonella? Anyone? Apparently they use high-quality chicken and strict safety standards in Japan, but still. The very thought of it makes my stomach churn. I've seen enough kitchen nightmares to know where this ends up. Just say no to raw chicken, folks, your bowels will thank you for it. So there you have it, folks. A glimpse into the bizarre world of Japanese sushi. From the stinkiest natto to the deadliest fugu, we've seen it all. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling a little queasy after that culinary roller coaster. I think I'll stick to my trusty salmon and avocado rolls for now, thank you very much. If you're feeling brave though, why not give one of these bizarre dishes a try? And be sure to let me know how it goes. Or better yet, don't. I think I've had enough excitement for one day. And there you have it, some of Japan's strangest sushi creations. Which one shocked you the most? And would you be brave enough to try any of these? If you enjoyed this deep dive into Japan's weirdest foods, make sure to subscribe for more. And if you want to see even crazier Japanese food experiences, check out our next video here.